Hi there, and welcome back to another shape drawing challenge. I'm Kevin Coulston, and today we're going to draw 3 characters with this shape. Okay, so you're going to want to draw the 3 shapes here that you see on your screen. Kind of looks like a big puppy letter T. Go ahead and pause and take all the time you need to draw this out before we start. So the first character I'm going to do here, I think I'll do a little alien. You guys know how I love to draw aliens. This guy's a little happy dude, color in his mouth. Give him some noodly little arms here. Give this guy 3 fingers on each hand. And for the legs, why don't we do tentacles? Kind of give him a more alien than usual feel. And then we'll do spots all over his tentacles here. Give him a little alien uniform, his collar, give him a belt, give him a little planet logo. We'll give him some cool little antennas coming out of the side of his head too. And we can go crazy with detail here and give him a bunch of little bumps on his head just to make him look even cooler. For this next one, we're going to do a frog robot. Give him these big frog eyes, but make him look as robotic as you can. A little antenna. Give him a big robot smile. He's looking pretty happy. We'll give him some noodly arms too. We'll do some lines to make him look robot arms, give him some claws. Let's do the same thing over here. We'll give him some robot legs. Do the same thing with the lines on the legs. And we'll just, we'll give him some screws, maybe some buttons on his body, just to make him look a little bit more robotic. This last one, we're going to do something completely different. Instead of a body, I see this as a head. And we're going to draw a dragon. So we drew his nostrils down there below, now we're doing the eyes. Let's give him some horns. Dragon needs horns, right? There's some cool lines on the horns for detail. Then we'll draw some ears. Do some lines above the eyes. Give him some big dragon teeth. And we'll do some lines for detail on his snout here. And we gotta do fire. It has to be a fire-breathing dragon. And that about wraps it up. You guys should draw this shape again, 3, 4, 5 times, and come up with your own characters. You can draw anything. You can draw, aliens, robots, dragons, animals, people. You can even do things that aren't alive. You can, I see a hammer in that shape. You could draw a spaceship, anything you want. Just go crazy with your imagination, and the most important thing is to have fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this drawing challenge as much as I did. If you'd like to learn how to draw more silly characters like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and be sure to check out my drawing books on firstartbooks.com.